You can count on me like 1, 2, 3, I'll be there. And I know when I need it, I can count on you like 4.
All right, go ahead and open up your math books to page 173. It looks like this. Okay. All right. Now they want you to tell me how many ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands these numbers have. But wait. Before you start writing, look carefully. They're out of order. It says ones, hundreds, thousands, tens. This one says 10,000s, tens, thousands, hundreds, ones. So you're going to have to look very carefully, okay? If you just put the first number there, that's wrong. Look very carefully at these and put the numbers down, okay? All right, go ahead. All right, next, they want you to write down how much money you have in both ways, okay? We learned a new way to write money yesterday, okay? If you've forgotten it, stop this video, go back to yesterday, and watch that video as we talk about this, okay? All right, go ahead and write down this money in both ways. Go right ahead. Okay. Next, you have some sumas and restas. These ones are the ones we learned about the last couple weeks. Okay, so pay attention to these. Right? But go ahead and do these. All right, then you can turn the page over. You have some more sumas, some big sumas, but you can do those. Go ahead. All right, then you have some questions here. What's bigger, 1/2 or 1/4? Now, I had to talk to somebody about this a couple weeks ago, because this person had mixed these up. Okay, if I have, actually, let's go to the board for this one. Follow me. Now that first number there says which is bigger, 1/2 or 1/4. Okay, now you might look at that and say, oh, what's bigger, 2 or 4? Well, 4 is bigger, so 1/4 must be bigger, right? Wrong. In these type of things, okay, this one, now this number here, this is called a fraction or a fraction. This tells you how many pieces there are altogether. This number tells you how many pieces you have. What does that mean? Let me explain. 1/2. Let's say we have a pastel. Okay? And you and I are going to share this pastel. Okay? So we put it in half. In medios. Okay? This is 1/2 in medio. And this is 1/2 in medio. Okay? We have 1/2 and 1/2. I get 1/2 and you get 1/2. All right? We split it into 2 pieces. And each of us gets 1 piece. Okay? But what if we were going to share this pastel with your brother and your sister? Well, we have a pastel. We just split this into 4 pieces. Into 4 pieces. And then 1 piece, 1 piece, 1 piece, 1 piece. Now, which one is bigger? This one is bigger. Even though the number is smaller, you still get more pastel here than you do here. You have split this one into 2 pieces and this one into 4 pieces. But these pieces are smaller. See that? Okay, when it comes to these fractions, these fracciones, whichever number is the smallest one down here is actually the biggest one. Okay, do you see how that works? This is going to be very important to get the third grade, all right? Because you're going to be doing a lot of work with these things. For now, you just need to think of this. Just take a look at this. When you have fractions like this, the one with the smallest number is the biggest thing. Okay? If it was 1/8, we have to split this pastel into 8 pieces. See that? See how it works? This is how many pieces there are altogether. And this is how many pieces that one person has. Okay? Alright, so on that first question, it says which is bigger, 1/2 or 1/4? 1/2 is bigger. Alright? Alright. Let's go back to my desk. Alright, there we go. Then it wants to know which is bigger, 4 quarts or 1 gallon? ¿Cuatros de galón or un galón? You should know the answer to that one. They're iguales, right? Right. And this question, what's bigger? 33 inches or 1 yard? 33 pulgadas or 1 yarda? Put your answer down there. Next, we have to find out what half of these numbers are. What is half of 2,000? Well, if you don't know, what's 1/2 of 2? It's 1, right? So put a 1, and then 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1,000. 1,000 es un media de 2,000. 1,000 is 1/2 of 2,000. Okay? See how that works? Just take that first number and cut it in half. What's 1/2 of 400? 200. See that? Okay, can you figure out the other 2 by yourself? Go ahead. Okay. Next we have some sumas and restas. All those, you can go ahead and do those by yourself. Go ahead. And then finally, we have money questions. We learned on Monday a new way to write money. Okay? If you've forgotten what that way is, then stop the video, go back and watch that video that we had on Monday, and remind yourself. Okay? Okay, we do the same thing on this page. So go ahead and write the money down the 2 ways. And then when you're done, you can move on to your English class.